Well, good morning, scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapetillas. It's a little windy today, so you gotta bear with me, please. I am very sorry, I can't control that. But yes, we're here on the hunt again, curbside. Let's go. I guess this one wants to get in the bed of Betty. Whatever. It don't matter. Everybody's in a hurry. All right, so I hope everybody's feeling good. I'm feeling great. Let's get this show started. Let's go get it. Come on. Anything that we find, we put in the back of Betty. Our goal is to fill her up. So let's get it. Let's get it. I'll turn this back on as soon as I get to the first pile. All right, we passed something here. What is this? Yeah, of course. Let's get it. And I had some stuff here. A refrigerator I took apart, a microwave, and what else was it? Nothing else, no. Yeah, that's all it is. All right, let's lay this down. Let's continue. What else? Let's see what we got here. I thought it's a fan. It is a fan. Let's get us a fan. We'll cut the cord in a few. I didn't even check this one. Does this one have a cord? Yeah, it does have a long cord, so we'll get both of those cords in a minute. Let's continue. We got a water heater. Let's get the water heater. Let's get here, but let's not get in the way so we don't block people going in and out. Oops, I banged it. All right, right here is good. Let's get the pliers. All right, let's get the cord, because we're gonna forget. I know we are. There we go. Come on. Goodness. All right, there's the cord. All right. Let's take those valves off. Let's get these valves off. There we go. Both brass valves. Stay. There you go. What I need to buy, which is next on my list, this is one thing at a time, like always, you know. It's a saw, a cordless saw, so I can be able to cut whatever I need to cut. But for right now, we got what we got. All right, we'll let it empty out. those are screwed in. Hold on. All right, we got some more goodies out of it. There we go. Some brass and some copper. All right. Yes, yes, yes. A couple of more goodies. Usually they're welded on there, but if I can get them, I'll get them. All right. Let's continue down the road. Let's see what we got here. I saw some goodies. Like always, some fishing rods. The tips are all good. Don't look like anything's wrong with them. Some of this stuff should be donated, but ooh, plunger. The cockadoo stuffer. Let's do that. Whoop, wrong way. What else we got in here? I don't know what this is. Oh, that's a toilet. I don't want a toilet. What do we have here? It don't look bad. That's nice. That is nice. All right. Oh, there we go. Let's treat all this with care.
Next time you fart, just yell. Nothing but net.
Sorry. All right, we'll keep the drill up there. There we go. Okay, that looks nice. What else we got in here? Some kind of satellite equipment to see into the depths. Oh, Christmas lights. My favorite. We'll put some of this stuff in here. A lot of Christmas lights. Making a mess. There we go. We got the Christmas lights. We got some metal. What else is? Some more metal. Now what else we got in here? No, just regular shoes, all kinds of stuff. All right, we gotta clean up this mess. That did come in my hand. Okay, we're all good. Let's clean up the mess. just drove by something. Whoa. Sorry, Betty. Sorry. Yes, we did drive by something. Put that in there. Little cart. We're gonna have to fix this in a little bit. But for right now, we gotta continue. We gotta show us an umbrella. I remember a song. Under umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. What do we have here? We got some more metal. Alright, what is that? No, that's plastic. Alright, let's try to stuff this stuff in here. Let's start getting stuff in here. There we go. That's good enough. I mean, I don't know what that is, but let's see if we can get it in here. Alright. Down the road, down the road, down the road. I don't know what it is, but we got some stuff. Let's see what we got here. Oh, hold on. Oh, we got some stuff here. Yeah, we do. Oh, could be stainless. Never know. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Hibachi grill. Could be. Let's see here. Oh, where's my magnet? There's my magnet. No, I think that's magnetic. Well, that's aluminum. No, that's not magnetic. That was in it. That's magnetic. All right, so we got these two pieces here. Let's see. We're here. No, that's all. All right, let's continue. Let's turn around. Let's turn around so we're not in a... No, I don't see anybody there. That's all right. We're okay here. Let's get the fridge. Let's take some of this glass out of here. Oof. Aren't you glad we don't have smell-o-vision anymore? Oh my goodness. Woo. Sorry I had to step away for a few minutes. A few seconds, not minutes, but oh my God. Ooh. All right. What is it? The life of a scrapper. We got that out of there. All right. Whew. I'm sorry, I took it out of me. Oof, man. Oh my God. All right, I don't know where this brick came from. Let's put it over there. I'm sure I'll be blamed. Blame the scrapper. Blame the scrapper. He left it all out there. There we go. Oh. Oh. All right. Oh, cord. Let's get the cord. Whew. It reeks. Oof. And it wants to fall. It wants to fall. All right, you know what? I'm gonna leave it just like that. How's that? Come on. I got garbage man right there. Stop playing around. I hear them. They're right next door. There we go. Poof. All right, give me a minute. Let me tie this down. All right, we tied it down. That's not gonna go anywhere. All right. Oof. My goodness, that really stunk. All right, let's go. We got something here. I don't know if they're plastic. They might be. Yeah, they're plastic. All right, no go. Drove by something here. What do we have? We have, okay, something with the closet rack. Let's get the closet rack. There we go. We got a closet rack. Oh, how did this fridge get way over here? Uh-oh. I don't think it got loose, did it? No. Nothing else? No. Nothing else. Ooh, somebody got a bunch of shoes. All right, nothing else. Let's continue. Yeah, it did move. It did move. Well, you gotta stay right there. Stay right there. Can't go from there. All right. What do we have here? We have, oh, a heavy printer. Let's just put it right here. This a dog bag? Nice. Got wheels in them. Yeah. Don't look like there's anything wrong with it, so we'll take it. Yes, we will. All right. Come on. You gotta stay right there. There you go. Stay right there. This one looks nice too, but it's too big. We got plenty. All right, let's continue with our journey. All right, we got a tub here, but it depends if we're gonna be able to put it in the in Betty. Let's go take a look first. Let's see how heavy it is. No, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to go here, but we'll see in a minute. All right, let's organize. We organized as best as we could. Let's get this baby in here. It is a little heavy. I said it wasn't that heavy. I lied. I did lie. I'm sorry. Oh, let's stand it. Let's stand it up. Oops. All right. We'll be able to strap it down there. Let's just leave it right there for right now. All right. Where are we gonna strap this down at? Whew. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna hook it right there. Come on. All right. Let's get it over. There we go. Come on. Come on, work with me. There we go. There we go. I ain't going nowhere. That's as good as it's gonna get right there. All right, let's continue. Oh, what do we have over there? Uh-oh, wait a minute. Barbecue. We're gonna get a barbecue. Oh, is it? Yeah. We can put it back there. Of course we can. Most definitely. Let's put that barbecue in there. Give me just a minute. Let me get a strap. All right, let's get some weight off of it first. Let's put it on this side. There we go. The big boy barbecue. And look at that. Yesterday we had a bad day. Well, it wasn't a bad day, but it wasn't a great day. And look at today. Let's take a look at something here. Yeah. It might be stainless steel. The rest of it is metal. All right, let's get it in here. Let's see, can we put it in here like that, and then we'll put it in there right. Come on. There we go. Oh. Come on, straighten out. There we go. Oh. strap on it. That'll work just fine, just like that. Okay. Where are you? There we go. That's not gonna work. That is not gonna work. All right, we'll put it here then. Come on, where are you? There you go. That's not going anywhere. And that's not going anywhere. We're all good. Okay, that's good enough. That's not going anywhere. Let's continue. I had to change it because it didn't feel right. Now it feels better. It feels much better now. There we go. All right. Yeah, nice load, nice load. Yesterday it rained and look how beautiful today, the Florida sun. Just having fun, that's it. All right, let's go see what else we got. We are done, end of the road. We are done, yes, the end of the road. We got some good stuff. We got some great stuff. Last Minute Grill. We got some stainless steel right here, or aluminum. And we got inside Betty. Betty, you're holding up. That's why I treat you so good. All right. Next stop is scrapyard. Let's get to the scrapyard. And we'll see you in a little bit. Here we are. Yes. All right. Let's unload Betty. Betty. All right, let's go unload Betty. Let's see what we weigh in first. Let's see here. 40-40. 40-60, 40-40. Something like that. All right, we'll see at the end. Oh, that machine's not running today. What's up, boss man? Huh? I saw his truck this morning with the trailer on it. This right here, it's all metal, but you know, it's all right. I'll dump it over there for you. All right. What's that? Yeah, please. There we go. Whoa. right, let's get up in here. Oh. Don't fall on me. All right, let's get this water heater out of here. All right. Dump it? All right. Let's clean our mess. Oh, Betty, you got dirty. It's all right, Betty. I'll brush you off. All right. All set. Let's go. All right, 35 it is. All right. Let's finish up. All right. Yeah.
When it's slow, the day goes so
Yeah, it goes very slow. Yeah.
when they're busy, goes up the time out.
I hear you. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, let's go. All right, so we came in at 40.60 and left at 35. 6.60 at 7 cents a pound. 39.20. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 20 cents we put away already. All right. All right, so thank you very much. Thank you for watching, being here with me. I appreciate everything. I appreciate it all. Yes, I do. Let me let this guy go by. All right. So, yes, thank you for the subscribers and the viewers and comments. Leave me comments. I love comments. I love reading and responding to them. So leave me comments. Yes. All right. So we are out of here. Treasure Coast Scrapper. See you on the next video. Bye bye. No. See you later. Not bye bye. See you later.